Just leaving Seizethecity, just had a really cool meeting with Adrian about the stand-up paddle lessons, and now we're off to Orms because our audio is rubbish and we need to solve that problem.
See you at Orms! Story's still the same. We need sound for what we're doing, and we're gonna try Orms. Is there a lapel option that can work with this? Or is there something that we can plug into our phone and use that as a recording device with a mic?
Yes, there is something like that.
We need to find an adapter. I don't even know what it's called. It's to convert between the two when we need to. Or we need two. I think. It's okay, I'll help.
Now open it with play.
I've been seeing Casey Neistat.
Testing 1, 2.
Yes. Absolute darling. Thank you very much. Coffee.
But will that power this mic? That's what we need to establish.
Okay,
Well, let's do it.
we're establishing this is a sound check 1, 2, 3, plugging in. There we go, and now we'll do something like that's attached today. So as it turns out, the microphone that we actually needed, they didn't have in stock. So we put in an order and we're going to go collect it next week. In the meantime, we need to go get an adapter so that it'll work for both my cell phone and the camera. Which is why we're going to a music store. It's phase 3 of fixing the sound. Going to, what's it called? Music shop.
Music shop.
Muse.
Sorry about it.
Why, what's wrong? What's wrong?
She wants us in 3, but 3 says it's reserved. Number 2 says 10 minutes, we'll buy it up.
And that's how you seize the city. Called Mars Music now. That's where we're going.
This is a big one.
We're going upstairs to talk to Mike. What's it?
Mike.
Mike. About a Mike.
Mike about
I don't think it was Mike. It was Warren.
This is upstairs.
It's pretty. About microphones.
No, that'd be just go back out, just go across.
Yeah, in the studio side there. Okay. Hi there. How's it, Dean?
Warren, how's it going? Darren. Cool, man. It was for guys that are doing sports, stand-up paddling, surfing, this sort of thing. Cool. So a lot of the time we're on the move.
Yeah.
Super on the move.
Yeah.
Now, the audio's isn't the main feature.
Okay.
Looks like it worked.
Take a lesson.
Ah! Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Follow him. There you go, my darling.
It's really cold.
Don't forget some love for us in the future, okay?
Coke is love. Okay, so the verdict is that we're using my cell phone for audio as far as possible until we get the right gear from Orms, which might take a couple of days. So until then, we've accepted that this is a process, and hopefully as time goes on, these videos will become better, both in video quality and sound quality. Challenge accepted.